In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Deribit Position Builder. While Deribit doesn't have an option builder tool, the Position Builder is a powerful feature that allows you to create and visualize custom trading strategies for options and futures. So first, make sure you are on the Deribit.com official website, and on the dashboard, on the upper left corner, you will see this kind of square, and under that, you will see the options or the tool of the position builder. So click on that and you will see here the position builder page. Now select the underlying asset. You can choose the cryptocurrency you want to create a strategy for, such as Bitcoin or BTC or Ethereum. And then after that, in the position builder module on the left hand side, you can select options for or futures based on your trading strategy, and then expiry date for the contracts you want to include, and then strike prices and the size of each positions. Now, you can click long to buy or short to sell, and the position will be added to your virtual portfolio, and the position builder automatically generates a profit or loss graph based on your selected position. So, this graph helps you analyze your potential outcomes under different market scenarios, and then you can add multiple positions to create advanced strategies like spreads, straddles, or other combinations. You can use the load portfolio features to import your actual trading positions for a detailed view. And if you need to start fresh, the clear portfolio options removes all virtual positions without affecting your real account. And that's it. That's how you use the Deribit Position Builder to create and analyze custom trading strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.